You may have heard about some excitement happening at the University of Tennessee's campus a few weekends ago. On November 8th, the annual fall climbing competition occurred at the Vol Wall here on campus. The University of Tennessee Outdoor Program hosted the competition, which also doubled as a fundraiser for a UTOP employee who is currently battling leukemia. During the competition, climbers are given 4 hours to complete the hardest problems possible. People of any skill level and those who have never climbed before are encouraged to come out and compete. Cost for admission into the competition is $15. Rock climbers from all around Knoxville, including the Nashville and Chattanooga area, showed up to compete and hang out. In order to get ready, UTOP closed the wall the week before the competition for preparation. UTOP employees had to strip the wall of all holds so they could set up all new routes. Climbers are scored on the 5 hardest problems they are able to complete during the 4 hours they are given to climb. If the climber is able to finish a problem in the first try, it is considered a flash. Flashes come into play during tiebreakers to work in a climber's favor. As opposed to other sporting events, the competition had a relaxed atmosphere. All the climbers tried to help each other on problems and give each other tips while on the wall. Most climbers attend competitions to meet other people within the climbing community. UTOP employee Mary Armstrong says that she loves the environment and getting to see everyone mingle and make friends at competitions. At the end of the competition, climbers could enter a dino competition for a donation of at least $3 that went straight to the family of the UTOP employee with leukemia. A dino is a shortened term for a dynamic move where a climber's whole body is off the wall at one point while jumping from hold to hold. The competition brought in over 40 participants and raised awareness and support for the employee with leukemia. If you want to find out more about the rock climbing program at UT, you can check out the outdoor program's spring competition next semester, which will be part of the Collegiate Climbing Series.